Hey YouTube! This is Matt here with Maple Mountain Fireplace. Today we're going to be talking about barbecue grills. This is our built-in Napoleon. It's the biggest one they make, the 825. You can see the knobs light up. Red means that it's on, and blue just looks really cool. So on one side you have your infrared burner. That's for grilling burgers and steaks really hot. Here is your large standard burner. You can also do the rotisserie, and your side burner for pots and pans. So we've also got some doors and drawers, high quality stainless steel, made by Napoleon as well. You can configure them any way you like. I would prefer a large double door under the grill, but that's just me. Here's my favorite part. We've got a raised bar with a fire pit right in the middle. Also the cute little umbrella, that was the customer's idea. So the construction on this barbecue island is 100% non-combustible material. Metal studs and cement board. We provide all of that. We provide all of the mechanical, the electrical, your gas line, and everything would be built by us. We refer out the stonework or any finish work to reputable contractors. So here's our barbecue island. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, come by our store, and check out our grills.